keep it real with ya. Real hot girl shit. It ain't always about what you like, sometimes it's about what's right.
What's good, J Gang? It's your girl Chrissy J back at it again with another video. And if this is your first time tuning in to my channel, what's up guys? I'm Chrissy J. This is the Chrissy J Show. If you're a returning subscriber, hey J Gang, thanks so much for subscribing, and make sure you guys leave this video a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe, tell your mom, tell your daddy, tell your sister, tell everybody. Y'all know how we do. In today's video guys, I am getting ready to go to a brunch. So this is a get ready with me / chit chat Sunday brunch. So if you guys want the deets on this look and my accessories and things of that nature, make sure you guys tune in. Thanks guys, and let's get into the video. Ow!
Bitch, give a fuck, got a nigga.
Alright guys, so I'm about to start beating my face for this brunch. And let's get to it. I'm kind of on the time limit. Am I behind time? Let's see. No, I got a little time. So let's chit chat. This is my first like chit chat, like get ready with me type of thing. So we're gonna get that on and popping. Alright guys, so the brunch. First of all guys, if I could really let y'all really know the real tea behind this brunch and all the stuff that I went through to have to even get ready to, like, me and my friends have been planning to go to this brunch for like months, and there's a lot of twists and turns that led to this day, but I'm here, I'm standing, I'm about to go to this brunch. But anyway, the theme is all black, so I have an all black outfit on, and I'm not even wearing the outfit that I originally bought for the brunch, but you know how that goes. So I had to find something last minute. It came out cute, I'll show y'all later, but the outfit is alright, but it don't have to do. It's just a brunch, so I'm just like whatever. But guys, I'm starting off with NYX Shine Killer. And use that so I don't get oily. I'm gonna do my brows off camera because it's kind of long and I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll be back after I do these brows. So alright guys, oh god, wow, my concealer looks so, y'all know I'm not an influencer, I just do what I do, you feel me? So I'm about to start on my eyes. So going to a brunch, and the brunch is like an all black thing, so what I'm trying to go for is like a smoky eye with like a pop of like bright, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna use my Africa palette by Juvia's, and I used it in my Slay tutorial video, my last makeup video, so I really like it. So I'm just gonna take Real Technique brush, and I'm just gonna take that and put that above my lid because I need a good neutral color up here. Wow, since I kind of like just let loose and relax. You guys don't know this, but I started a new job 3 weeks ago. I am excited.
When I'm tripping anyway, you know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. The bitches ain't gonna give it to you.
I'm taking my LA Pro concealer in this color. I don't even know what color this is. In nude. As for my new job, I actually like it. Some of the people are pretty cool, and you know, I I rock with it. Like, so far so good. And I was nervous because I heard going into it, it would be like, you know, a little ratchet environment, and that's cool because y'all know, you know, I don't care, I'm from Brooklyn, you know how that go. But so far I haven't really experienced any of that as of yet, so let me knock on some wood.
That's what you gon' call me when I'm tripping anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. The bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? I'd rather be a bitch, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm tripping anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You
To start filling in this color, you can go ahead and shoot on this process. I have a lot of colors that are similar to this color in different palettes, so I'm just gonna pick one of my palettes. So it's right here. Okay, and I'm gonna place that here, guys, like right here in my inner crease. Liza from the Masquerade palette by Julia's. So I'm gonna use this color right here, guys, because this one is a little bit more like that white pigment that I kind of want to show, so I have that pop. And like I said, I'm trying to stay low and out the drama. And yeah, this Stallion came out with a new song that I absolutely love. It's called BITCH, and I like really love it. I really could relate to it because you feel me, some of these guys be out here disrespectful, so, and nobody got time for that, so check. All right, we good. Brunch started at 2. It's 11:52, but it is in North Jersey, so I gotta skedaddle soon. I'm gonna just take a black to put here and here to kind of give it that smoked out edge that I was talking about earlier that I wanted. Just gonna take my Morphe palette by Jaclyn Hill. It looks so dirty. It's because I use this palette so often. I've stayed using this palette, so I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm gonna play with me. You know I'm undefeated. See, the song is in my head already.
I'd rather be a BITCH, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm tripping anyway. You know you can't control
the eyes. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend out this crazy ass concealer up here and get it popping. My Fenty Beauty. Foundation, which never fails me.
You need a real one in your life. The bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? I'd rather be.
I'm gonna take a beauty blender and just dab with it. Plan on, especially in these early months of 2020, I just plan on stacking a bag, getting to a bag, trying to get my new car, trying to establish like some savings. And I'm trying to get right with God, okay? I'm just trying to get right with God, all right? Like, I really don't have time for the extra drama or anything that life brings. I'm not even concerned about it. I'm just trying to live my life with the people around me.
But anyway, you know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. The bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? I'd rather.
We're gonna conceal under our eyes and in the spots, guys.
They gon' give it to you, right?
Now we're gonna go ahead and bake and set, and I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Nutmeg, the best setting powder I've had to date. The best setting powder. So my camera ran out of memory in the middle of me setting my face, but guys, I just put the Fenty Nutmeg setting powder underneath my eyes here and on my forehead, like in my T-zone and stuff. Now before I put my lashes on, I'm going to do final touches on my eyes. So I'm going to put a white liner, and this one is from NYX. It's from NYX. I'm gonna put that up here, and then I'm gonna use a black line and put it here to kind of really add edge, since you feel me. You feel me? I know me. I want some edge, but I'm trying to be edgy.
TCH, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm trippin' anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. The bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? I'd rather be a B-I-T-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm trippin' anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. The bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? I'd rather be a B-I-T-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm trippin' anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. The bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? I'd rather be a B-I-T-C.
Period, poo. And now we gonna add our lashes. Y'all know, highly recommend these always, 3D lashes. And I'm gonna put these on, and then I'm gonna come back. But cause you ain't put me in no brands, but I see you proud of me. I'm just a real lassie. Alright guys, so lashes are on, and I'm joined by a co-host on the phone. We got Ty on the phone, who's coming to the brunch with me. She's getting ready, but the gag is, guys, new development while I'm getting ready. So my friend Daisy, whose birthday it kind of was this month, and she's having a birthday thing at the brunch. She's not answering the phone, she's not answering my text, she's not answering my Instagram. So Daisy, if you're watching this right now, you kind of semi got me freaked out, because if not, it's just gonna end up as me and Ty in this section, guys. And as I told y'all, again, I think Daisy is just on some she's sleeping till 1:30 type stuff, even though the brunch starts at 2 and it's 12:27. Daisy, Daisy's always causing me a heart attack, so, but yeah.
I'd rather be a B-I-T-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm trippin' anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. The bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? I'd rather be a B-I-T-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm trippin'.
Do this color. What? A red lip. So I have this MAC lip gloss, and then I have this NYX soft matte lip cream. They're both red, and let's play around with it, but I'm gonna definitely take a liner, because with red you definitely need liner.
I'd rather be a B-I-T-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm trippin' anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. The bitches ain't gon' give it to you.
Again, it wasn't Daisy, guys.
Anyway, you know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. The bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? I'd rather be a B-I-T-C-H.
Alright guys, so let me go ahead and touch up my edges and put a little bit more body into my hair, and then I'm gonna come back, and yeah. So 1 minute, un momento, mami, slow your tempo. Alright guys, this is the look. I put on some setting spray off screen. I totally forgot to record that, but I put on some setting spray off screen. I touched up the lip liner. I think that looks good. Touched up my hair, added a cute hair accessory, put this choker on, and I'm ready to go. So guys, that's it. Y'all just got ready with me. I will definitely let y'all know how this brunch went, but I expect to have a good time. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like, get ready with me, so make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all leave a thumbs up. Y'all know the deal. Tell your mama, your daddy, your sister, your brother. Tell everybody. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Mwah.